How to type text in Premiere Pro and how to move that text. Currently this tool is activated, which is the selection tool, and to type text we have to use this one, which is type tool. If I move my cursor there, you can see that T is the hotkey. So if I press the letter T, then that will be activated, T, and jump there. Now with this one I can simply left click there and type in the text that I want, whatever. Now to reposition it, I cannot use the same T because I cannot drag it. It is inserting that cursor there, which allows me to type in more text as it's visible. And I cannot press the hotkey of this one either, which is V, because it will not activate this tool, but instead it will type the V inside here. Now what to do, how to move it quickly? Well, first press the escape key and then this cursor will disappear. And now you can press the hotkey of that one, which is V, like so. It jumped from here up there. And now you can use your keyboard to reposition it. So let's do it once again. I will delete that one. So press letter T, it jumped there. Type your text there, whatever you want. Press the escape key. Now press the V key, and now you can move it with your mouse. Once again. So T for text, escape to exit, and V, and then move it.